Hi, my name is Riley McMullen from SnowJax, and today we're going to be looking at SnowGuard compatibility for AB Martin and the standing seam and exposed fastener panels that they manufacture. Starting off with the exposed fastener panels, there are 4 that AB Martin manufactures. On the left-hand side, we have an ABM profile. This is going to be compatible with our IceJax 1 in the screw and glue down, the Deuce in the screw and glue down, and the Snojax 1, which is only compatible in a screw down application. You will also have compatibility with the SnowBreaker 3M, screw down and glue down, as well as our SnowCatcher, which also come decorative and powder coated to match. Our tall color bracket is going to be compatible, which gives you an option between the Snow Cleat or the Snow Bar and Color Bar PBR. The PBR profile is going to be compatible with every single one of our polycarbonate screw and glue down products. You're also going to be able to do our SnowCatcher and decorative lineup, as well as that tall color bracket, which allows you to choose between a pad style and bar system. The 5V Crimp is very similar to the PBR, except you're going to be able to use the 2.67 bracket. This is going to be compatible with every single one of our standing seam products. The heritage profile is going to be very similar. The one key difference is you're going to be able to use the 2.67 bracket with a snow cleat in between the seams. Items you want to keep in mind with exposed fastener panels: when installing a screw-down polycarbonate system, you will need to use the Novaflex sealant around the base of the guard. This will ensure that no water or ice gets underneath the guard itself. All of our metal products come with a butyl tape gasket on the bottom of these to ensure the same thing as the Novaflex sealant. Moving on here, AB Martin has one standing seam profile that they manufacture. This is the AB seam profile. This is going to be compatible with all of our polycarbonate glue down guards. Some of our smaller options include the IceJax 1, the Deuce, and the SnowBreaker in the glue down and 3M attachment option. Our larger options include the IceJax 2, the Ace, and the Snojax 2. This panel is going to be compatible with all 3 of our standing seam mounted clamps. This includes the RC and the RCT, as well as the Snowbar clamp. These are going to be compatible with up to 95% of all standing seam panels on the market. You're going to be able to choose between a snow bar and color bar system, as well as a 2-bar system and with those same bars. If deciding to install a glue down system, it is crucial that you do it in the proper time of year. They need 28 days of 50 degrees or more to cure properly and perform how they were tested. On the flip side, if you're looking to do a clamp-on style bar system, it is a great idea to get a test fit clamp or ordering the whole order. If you have any questions about snow retention compatibility with AB Martin and the standing seam and exposed fastener panels they manufacture, please give us a call at 1-800-766-5291, or you can find both of these blogs on our website at www.snowjax.com underneath the blog section, or you can search for AB Martin in the search bar. Please like and subscribe for more content on metal roof snow guard compatibility. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.